Sharani, and I'm back with the second part of HTML of class 8 student, that is more about some HTML commands. So as we have done in the last class, we have to start with the HTML on the top, then head and title. This title will display on the top of the page. This top page is called, this bar is called title bar, where you can display any text. जो भी आप यहाँ पर लिखोगे, that will display on the top. After that, you have to close the title, then close the head, and then we will start with the body part where we will write all the commands. Now, to make page more attractive, you can give any color to your page. As I have written here, light blue. So means BG, means the full form of BG is background color. Background color light blue I have written, means my background color will be light blue, and I will execute all the commands simultaneously so that this will be easy to understand. Now, chapter name is more on HTML, so I have written H1. H1 is for heading. We have discussed in the last class, in the last video mine. So H1 is for heading. So this will, if you will execute this file, you can see the output here. आपका more on HTML is coming in this form. थोड़ा सा बड़ा दिख रहा है. Now if you want, it should be centralized. So for that you can write here center. After H1 you can write here center, and you can close this center before closing H1. And every time whenever you will close any tag, you have to use this backslash. Press Ctrl S and press F5. You can see more on HTML is coming in the center of the page. So this is totally up to you where you want to display your content. Next one is marquee. Marquee, if you want to move your text, something, if you want to moving text you want to display in your website, और आप चाहते हो कुछ भी text आपके website पे move करे from right to left or left to right, so there is an option. If you will write only marquee, marquee is a tag which is using for moving text. So marquee के अंदर आप जो भी लिखोगे that will move from right hand side. So moving text will come from right hand side, as I can show you here. See, if I will press F5 and you can see moving text, this, see my cursor, this is coming from right hand side, but this, the second line, you can change my direction, is coming on the left, from the left hand side. So we can change the direction also. Let's see how we can change the direction. If you will write only text inside the marquee tool, तो आपका डेटा right side से आएगा screen के ऊपर. But if you will write marquee direction right, means your data will come from this side onwards. And if you want some background color, if you want to give some background color to your marquee tool, जो text आपका move कर रहा है उसका background color, if you want to give something, so for that you will again use the BG color yellow. So yellow I have given, and my write up is my, you can change my direction. So now if I will show you here, you can change my direction, it's coming from the left hand side. So it means it's totally up to you. You can change the direction of marquee. Marquee means moving text. आपका कोई भी text move करेगा from left to right or right to left. Now at the end you have to close the marquee tool after you will finish with the marquee command. Next one is, now this is very important part, list. There are different types of list. So we will talk about order list and unordered list. Order list means if you want to display some content along with the numbers, like I want to give some sequence number, like 1 is yellow, 2 is blue, and 3 is green. So I don't have to write anything. I will write simple OL. OL I have written here. OL means order list. And I will write to give bullet. Li means list, because this we are studying about the list. So Li ka full form is list. And if you will not close Li, then also your code will execute properly. So OL आपने यहाँ लिखा, then you have written Li three times, means three different numbers will display here, 1, 2 and 3. And then OL you have to close. So by default when you will execute this command, you can see 1 2 3 is coming here, 1 2 3. I have not mentioned anything, I have not said anything कि यहाँ पर 1 2 3 display करे. मैंने simple लिखा OL. OL means if you will not mention any type, by default 1 2 3 4 will display. Now instead of 1 2 3, if you want to display some other numbers like natural numbers or something, alphabets, so for that you have to use this type keyword. You will write OL type equal to small a, or you can write capital A, and then again LI and then close OL. So LI you don't have to close it. If you will close, then also your code will execute. If you will not close, then your code will work properly. Now you can see I have written here small a, so red, white and brown के नीचे आ जाएगा पहले A, B and C in small letter, because I have written here small a. Let me show you the output. It's showing here small a, small b, small c. If I want to make the changes here and I want to show it here, I want to convert into capital A. So I have written here capital A, Control S, and now if I will execute my code and I will press F5, you can see capital A, B, C is there. So जो भी आपने देना है sequence, जो भी sequence आपको चाहिए, that you have to write in front of type. Now I want to use Roman number, small 1 2 3 Roman number में मेरी values के पहले numbers लिखा हो, 1 2 3 लिखा हो. So मैंने type के आगे लिख दिया Roman number 1 स्मॉल लेटर्स में. सो पिंक से पहले 1 आएगा, ऑरेंज से पहले रोमन नंबर 2 एंड ब्लैक से पहले रोमन नंबर 3. लेट मी शो यू द आउटपुट. सी यू कैन सी स्मॉल आई, स्मॉल रोमन नंबर 2 and small roman number 3. Same thing you can do with the capital I, capital. And if I will execute this, now I have made the changes. If I will press F, now you can see I capital में आ रहा है, आपका रोमन नंबर ये सारे कैपिटल्स में आ रहे हैं. सो दिस इज अप टू यू वेदर यू वांट टू गिव इन स्मॉल लेटर और कैपिटल लेटर. एवरीथिंग विल बी डन हियर. यहाँ पर आप जैसा लिखोगे वैसा ही आपका आउटपुट में आएगा. सो लेट इट बी स्मॉल आई. दिस इज लुकिंग मच बेटर. नाउ दिस वाज अ पार्ट ऑफ ऑर्डर लिस्ट. ऑर्डर मीन्स सीक्वेंस में आपका कोई भी नंबर, सीरियल नंबर जैसे होता है 1 2 3 4 और ए बी सी डी, सीक्वेंस में जब कोई चीज़ आती है दैट इज कॉल्ड ऑर्डर लिस्ट. अनऑर्डर लिस्ट means when there is no order, there is no serial number, only bullets are coming. Bullets means circle, square, any bullets you want to display before your list. So for that we will use unordered list. By default circle will display, as I have not mentioned type here in unordered list. So if I will execute this yellow, blue and green, you can see by default it will display dark filled circle. Means if you don't have to mention anything for this, as यहाँ पर 1 2 3 के लिए आपने कुछ नहीं लिखा था टाइप में. सेम थिंग if you want this thing filled dark circle, you don't have to mention anything. You directly write UL and then start with the LI and close the UL. So you will find dark circle list. Now the next one is, now I want to make some changes. I want to give some other bullet. So I will use here circle. Type लिखने के बाद I will write here circle, and this will display circle without unfilled circle, hollow circle. This is a simple circle, red, white and brown. So this is called circle. If you will write circle, this type of bullet will display here. And if you want to display square, so type के आगे just write square, then you will be able to see this one as I have written here. So I have written all these codes before so that it will be easy to explain. So circle लिखेंगे तो खाली filled circle आएगा, unfilled circle आएगा. If you will write square तो आपका square filled square आएगा black color का. So this is all about your unordered list. Now I want to give break, means I want to put some line between two things. So मैंने क्या करा, HR last class में हमने किया था, last video में HR is used to display line. But if you want to make the changes, suppose if I will write here HR, by default HR will come in black color, but if you want you can change the color of HR also. Let me show you here. This is a red color line, and if you want, see this is light color. You can see there are two lines. If you will give color, then this will come like this, red जैसे आ रहा है. If you will not give any color, by default आपका ये ऊपर वाली line है, which is very light. I think you can see, you all can see. So this is again, if you want to give any other color, you can change the color here and that will reflect in your web page. Now we will start about the table. How to create table in HTML. So there are different types of attributes. This is called table command, or you can say tag. Inside this table command, there are different types of attributes, or you can say properties of table. This all these are not very important. If you don't want to use it, then also your code will execute. But for आपका जो पेज है, that should look more presentable. For that we can use these things. Border 2 means the size of border. If I will write here 5, see, now see the width of border. As you can see, this is my page and मैंने change कर दिया. Earlier it was 2, now I have written 5. So I will press F5 to make the changes. Now you can see this is broad enough. पहले 2 में पतला सा दिखा रहा था border, now it's showing the big enough. So border, this you can change. Now background color of table, if you want to give. So I have given here pink. So as you can see, it's showing here pink. Background color is pink. Now cell padding and cell spacing. Cell padding is to give space between the content of cell, and cell spacing is basically to give space between two adjacent cells. We can use cell spacing for that. I will show you practically. And align center means, if you will write align center, your page के बीच में आपका टेबल रिफ्लेक्ट करेगा. लेट मी रिमूव दिस. कंट्रोल एक्स के थ्रू आई एम रिमूविंग दिस, and when I will press F5, your table will be on the left hand side. See, so if you want to display your table in the center of the page, just write here align center, and this way you can see your page, the center of the page. Okay. Now this is called cell padding and cell spacing. If I will write here, right now I have written 5, and if I am going to convert this into 20, I have said save kar diya file ko, and please see the table carefully. And now if I will press F5, see the space between the text. ये जो roll number के चारों तरफ space दिख रहा है, name के चारों तरफ जो space दिख रहा है, that is just because of cell padding. And if I will write here 20 instead of this cell spacing, 20 यहाँ पर कर दिया. And now if I will press F5 here, ध्यान से आप टेबल देखिए. Now I'm going to press F5, you will see the changes. Press F5, you can see the spaces between each cell. हर सेल के बीच के स्पेसिंग के लिए है आपका cell spacing. And border color is blue. Yes, I have given my border color blue, table border color. So you can give any color to your table. Now, if I want, how many rows and columns are there? There are 3 rows and 3 columns. So accordingly, I will write the code here. So for every row, I have to start with the TR. TR is the full form of TR is table row. So I want to insert first row in my table, and TH, the full form of TH is table heading, and the width of my table heading should be 25 pixel, and my text which will display in table heading, that is roll number, and I have to close TH. Then the next one is TH width 20. This is for my second heading, table heading. The second table heading is name, then TH close. Third is my TH, again the width I have given 20, and the heading name is marks. So why I have written TH, I will show you here practically. Table heading font bold में आता है comparatively to next table data. अगर आप TD यूज करोगे, so you will be able to write this text, but ये आपका bold में नहीं आएगा. But if you will use TH, as you can see here, table heading, so TH यूज करते ये automatically bold में हो जाएगा. If you will use TD, तो वो आपका bold में नहीं आएगा, it will come like normal text. Now TR मेरा एक रो का काम कंप्लीट हो गया, सो आई एम गोइंग टू क्लोज माई TR. फर्स्ट रो में मेरे पास सिर्फ 3 कॉलम्स थे, रोल नंबर, नेम एंड मार्क्स. Now I have one more row that is again TR. Align equal to center. If you want you can write align center everywhere. मैंने सिर्फ एक ही जगह पे center लिखा so that I can tell you the differential. TD align equal to 1. Full form of TD is table data. Table data should be different from table heading. Table heading आपका bold में होना चाहिए because that's a heading. And rest the content of your table should be your normal text like. So ये मैंने आपका TD कर दिया means table data. Align equal to center means one जो है वो मेरा centralized होगा. बाकी मैंने कहीं भी center नहीं लिखा, align center नहीं लिखा, so rest everything will be on the left hand side as I can show you here. See, one मेरा center में है, एकदम center में है, but 2 मेरा center में नहीं है. 75 रेखा पूनम all are on the left hand side because अभी cell spacing कम कर दी, then you can easily identify. Let me reduce the cell spacing and cell padding space so that you can easily identify. To refresh your page you have to use, as you can see, one is coming on the center, whereas 2 left में है, रेखा पूनम 75 72 सब left में है because I have not given any command to them. So 75 अगर मैं यहाँ पर लिखूंगी align equal to center, so my data will come center. Same thing I can write for name also, align equal to center. Now I want to enter one more row, so for that again I have to start with the TR. जितनी rows आपने enter करनी है उतनी बार आप TR लिखोगे और जितने number of columns हैं उतनी बार आप TD लिखोगे. अगर 2 columns होंगे तो you will write TD twice, अगर 3 होंगे तो 3 बार और जितने होंगे उतनी बार. And जितने number of rows add करने हैं उतनी बार you will use TR. And every time you have to close TR because उस row का काम complete हो गया, so you have to close your TR tag. At the end when we have finished with the table, my table work is over, so now I can close my TR. Now I want to start with some new commands, so again I have written a HR color equal to purple because I want to give gap between two different commands, so that's why I'm using HR color equal to purple. So after writing these commands, you will be able to create simple static websites. Now I want to insert one image. An image I have already downloaded from net and that I have it's there in my desktop, and this file is also there in my desktop. So you have to be make sure जहाँ पर भी आपकी ये वाली HTML फाइल होगी वहीं पे आपकी ये image भी होनी चाहिए. Only in that case you don't have to specify the full path. अगर आपकी image C drive में है and your HTML file is in D drive, then you have to write the complete path. So make sure whenever you will create any web page or any website, your all images and all files should be inside the one folder so that you don't have to give any path. Only you have to mention the file name. So img is the name, full form of img is image. src means source. कौन से source से आप ला रहे हो? My file image name is google_img and it is in png format. And if you want you can set the height and width also. So मैंने height and width 200 and width 800 कर दिया. So when you will see here, so this is my image Google and the size width is 800, height is 200. If you want you can increase this also. I can write this can be 50, height can be 50 and width can be 1000. देखने में अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, but let me show you here. Press F5 to see the output. Now see. It's coming. So height मैंने 550 लिखना था, 500 हो गया. Let me do it 50. Now you can see the outputs showing very bad. Height is 50 and width is 1000. So you can change according to your requirement. And after doing this code, I have to close body tag, and at the end I have to close my HTML tag. So that's all for today. So don't forget to subscribe and share, and thank you for watching. I will see you in next video with some more HTML commands. So till then, happy coding.